Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to setting a maximum internet consumption in Windows 11. In light of the continuation of limited terrestrial internet packages, you, as a user, must constantly monitor your internet consumption and set a maximum limit for this consumption, whether on your PC or on your phone, so that you are not surprised by the internet package window. Today we are going to explain to you how to set a maximum internet consumption in Windows 11. 1. Go to Settings. From the Start menu, choose the Settings shortcut. 2. Navigate to Network. From the Settings side menu, select Network. 3. Choose Data Usage. 4. Choose WIFI network. From the top left of the screen, you will find the name of the WIFI network you are connected to. You can change it and choose another network if you want to make any modifications to it. 5. Set a maximum internet consumption. Press Enter. Limit to set a maximum internet consumption. A window will appear to set a maximum consumption, after which your device will stop using the internet until you allow it again. You can choose how many times this counter will be automatically zeroed. And you can specify the consumption size in megabytes or gigabytes. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you here on Everything PS.